Reggae on. Jamaica Tourism Safe despite new curfew regulations. Compared to the United States, the COVID-19 spread, number of death, Jamaica is doing well. Calculated per million population, Jamaica is on position 123 in the world, compared to the USA position 14. Jamaica has administered at least 369,960 doses of COVID vaccines so far. Assuming every person needs 2 doses, that's enough to have vaccinated about 6.3% of the country's population. This is a low number compared to a rate of over 50% for the USA. During the last week reported, Jamaica averaged about 4,933 doses administered each day. At that rate, it will take a further 120 days to administer enough doses for another 10% of the population. While borders remain open at the time, and tourism is back in this Caribbean island country, a new curfew was put in place starting August 11 to August 31. As alarming as it sounds, this may very well not be a big difference for visitors enjoying a Jamaica vacation in the many all-inclusive resorts such as Sandals, but it is a clear warning by Jamaica's Prime Minister Michael Holness, that the threat of COVID-19 is real and is being addressed. The U.S. State Department is urging Americans vacationing in Jamaica to be fully vaccinated before traveling. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, has issued a Level 3 travel health notice for Jamaica due to COVID-19, indicating a high level of COVID-19 in the country. It says, your risk of contracting COVID-19 and developing severe symptoms may be lower if you are fully vaccinated with an FDA-authorized vaccine. Today, Jamaica's Prime Minister Andrew Holness has announced revised COVID-19 protocols under the Disaster Risk Management Act. Speaking at a digital press conference today, Holness said the new measures will apply for the 3-week period from Wednesday, August 11 to August 31. He announced that effective August 11, the nightly curfew hours will run from 7 p.m. to 5 a.m. from Mondays to Fridays. Twitter.com. On Saturdays, the curfew will run from 6 p.m. to 5 a.m. the following day, while on Sundays the curfew will run from 2 p.m. to 5 a.m. the following day. Businesses will be required to close 1 hour before the curfew times. Other measures are currently being revealed by the Prime Minister. Since last Thursday, the number of COVID-19 cases daily has surpassed 200, and for 3 days, it rose to over 300 cases. Hospitals are also under pressure as bed spaces are limited. Earlier, Holness painted a grim picture of Jamaica's COVID-19 situation by disclosing that 1,903 new virus cases were recorded between August 1 and August 8. As a result, 238 COVID cases have been recorded on average per day. Holness blamed the rise on Jamaicans not adhering to the COVID-19 protocols, including social distancing and obeying the curfew measures. This kind of behavior will lead to a rise in cases, he said, noting that the government had anticipated the rise in cases, resulting in the subsequent tightening of the virus containment measures. eTurboNews reached out to the Honorable Minister of Tourism Edmund Bartlett for clarification, but was unable to get a response, and will update once more as known. No one is safe until we all are safe is not only the assessment by U.S. President Biden, but also by Edmund Bartlett, Minister of Tourism for Jamaica. He strongly believes the global distribution of the vaccine to everyone is the key. Mr. Bartlett has been fighting for the disadvantage of countries specifically in the travel and tourism industry, such as Jamaica, in not being able to increase the vaccine distribution. The Most Honorable Andrew Michael Holness was first elected as Member of Parliament (MP) to represent the constituency of West Central Street Andrew in 1997, at the age of 25. Now in his 4th consecutive term as MP, Mr. Holness became Jamaica's 9th Prime Minister after the Jamaica Labour Party defeated the People's National Party at the polls on February 25, 2016.